For me, I think it's about how any business leader want to see their company not for today, but in a decade, in a 20 or a 50 year, or even after a century. Yeah. I don't think there is a separate line item or a separate priority or a focus that this is what I do for sustainability. This is what I do for business or to take care of my stakeholder. I think embedding sustainability into their business practice, into their vision, into what they do every day, taking care of what we discussed around, all the stakeholders, people, planet, profit. If they're able to embed into that, I think success will follow. You take big logo names, you take, Unilever, you take Tara Group in 50 plus years, or you take Patagonia. People take Patagonia. The moment you think of sustainability, they say, wow, why do you pay more? It's a brand. What you think about that company and the quality, you tend to pay a little bit higher for the quality and for the image that you have. Look at IKEA in Europe. Look at what they do for circularity. 2,500 plus products. Every product, if they're able to repurpose, reuse, renewable into that, the impact on such a global company, leave alone from a sustainability goal, but by embedding sustainability into their practice, it has a huge impact, positive impact on supply chain, positive impact on bottom line. So my view is businesses which have embedded sustainability into their business practice, not treating sustainability as a separate goal, a separate point, a separate wish list, I think tend to thrive more and they have more lifespan.